Guys, please for and I did a Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then hi, I'm Debarati and I make videos based on makeup and beauty. So Diwali is around the corner, so it's the best time for shooting a look which is appropriate for Diwali. And I like to pair my eyes with any color of my outfit. So my dupatta is blue, so I paired it up with blue eyes. Please guys, have a safe Diwali. Just be indoors, try to celebrate it virtual, and just have safe distance, social distance among yourselves, so that we together can overcome this corona situation. Guys, please follow me on my Instagram. I will put my Instagram handle down below. Okay, starting off with my primer, I'm using the Lakme Blur Perfect Primer, and this has a pinkish hue in it. It doesn't really minimizes the pores or something. It feels good. It feels somewhat slippery, and it's okay. It's an average product, nothing more. Next for foundation, I'm using my oldie but the goodie, the best of everything, the Maybelline Fit Me. It works amazing in all skin types. The shade is 230. It's a little, smidge bit darker than my skin tone, but it's okay, I can work with it. Do I even have to talk about this foundation? Almost everyone has it on today. Anywho, this foundation gives a medium coverage, which you can obviously build it up, and it's slightly runnier than the Super Stay one. Okay, this is a new concealer which I recently purchased from PAC. It's their TakeCover concealer, and I chose the shade 05, which has a peachish undertone which can cover up my discoloration under my eyes and around my mouth. By the way, I bought a lot of new stuffs, so haul will be coming soon, so stay tuned. I bought this as my replacement of Illegal Pro Conceal, and this also has some sort of peachish undertone. By the way, the wand is better than the Illegal, but it's very thin and it takes up very little product, so I have to go on dip the wand again and again to take out more product, which is kind of a bummer for me. That did not give me any brightening effect, so I will be just adding PAC Spotlight Concealer on my orbital bone and highlight it ever so slightly. Okay, then I'm using the Maybelline Loose powder in light medium, and I'm setting under my eyes and slightly setting my base in dabbing motion. Use little by little product, as this powder is very thick and it can easily kick up your base. Now I love using tints as my blush, as they are very long lasting and it looks very natural, as if you're blushing from within. And you need to use it very quickly as it sets very fast. Using the contour shade from my Wet n Wild contouring palette, I'm contouring my face just to give it a little bit more structure. Using it on the usual places where I like to contour, that is my cheekbones, dragging it downwards onto my neck and little bit on the upper forehead. You guys have literally seen me doing my eyebrows a lot of times, so this time I will be skipping it. Next for my eyes, I'm using this beautiful rich royal blue shade from the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the variant Stop Playing Safe. I'm placing it all over my eyelids but limiting it below my crease. By the way, this blue is by far the best blue I have ever come across. These eyeshadows are highly pigmented. Next, using this kind of onion pink color, I'm placing it on my crease and then blending it away with the blue. Blend it thoroughly until the blue totally merges with the pink and looks seamless. By the way, these eyeshadows are very pigmented, so use little by little and try to build up the color. That will be easier for you to blend it further. Then I'm blending away the edges of the crease by using a pale bone color. It's better to use a small blending brush for the maximum definition. Then using the same crease color, I am applying it on my waterline and smoking it away. By the way, I fell in love with this reddish pink color. I will be applying falsies, but I am first stripping my lashes with the mascara, and for that I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise and applying on my both upper and lower lashes. Okay, then I thought to slightly clean up the area under my brows using a concealer, and I'm using a detailed flat brush for that. I'll quickly apply these false lashes off camera. Links of this will be given in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And then I'm tightlining my upper waterline using the NYKAA Rock the Line Kajal. And using this shimmery pale yellow color, I'm placing it on my inner corners. Just to hide the lash band, I'm going upon that with the liquid liner, and this is the Maybelline Colossal Liner. And lastly, to lock everything up, I am using a setting spray, and this is the NYX Matte Setting Spray. And then I'm using my beauty blender to just dab it onto my skin so that the setting spray is really absorbed and it seals your makeup and your makeup remains budge free. Then I'm using a highlighter, and this is the Master Chrome by Maybelline. And I'm using it when my face is still a little bit damp so that my highlighter like really pops up. And then I'm using a Maybelline lip liner in the shade Totally Toffee to line my lips, and I'm ever so slightly overdrawing my upper lips. And then for lipstick, I am using the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip Color in Bear With Me. It's a beautiful peachy nude shade. You guys must be knowing that my love for peachy nudes. I love peachy nude shades. And here it is. That's my finished look. If you like this look, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Most of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. If you're watching this and haven't subscribed, then just do it. It's bad manners, okay? Just do it. I would highly appreciate it. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Peace out.